decades of experience. So
Mm-hmm.
basically into
Mm-hmm.
IT, cyber security and compliance roles and responsibility. So I've
Mm-hmm.
done a lot of transformation programs like on-prem to cloud and implementing cybersecurity framework
Mm-hmm.
across the organization.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Right now, I'm not associated with any organization per se, but working as an independent consultant, basically targeting all SME segment to understand and improve the security posture. Ramesh.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Welcome, Sridharji. And anything specific that you want to kind of see in this webinar?
No, because I have known Salesforce as CRM because most of the organization, big organizations use Salesforce. I mean, from the CRM perspective. But I know a lot of open source are there, and I know you are advocating Tiger as the one of the CRM,
Yeah,
which you have
yeah,
been using this for quite some time. So, I'd like to
yeah.
understand and how to integrate the AI part within the Tiger.
Yeah, true. So thank you, Sridharji. Yeah, we welcome the new participants also. Aruna, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Shashi, actually. I'm running for the IT company.
Mm.
Thanks for doing this today. Hello.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So I think Shashi went ahead. Shashi, you're from which organization?
I'm an IT manager. I'm giving the consultant support for the Avia also. So Avia sharing.
Okay. So what is your company
Yeah.
name? Which company are you representing today?
No, Avia.
Avia. Okay. Oh, yeah. Welcome, Shashi. Yeah, over to you, Arnavji.
Yes, sir. I'm working in National Small Industries Corporation Limited.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's basically on Guwahati, and I am working under National SC/ST Hub. It's
Okay. Yeah. Welcome, Arnavji.
thank you.
Hemavati. Yeah, thank you. Hemavati, I think you're from PEDAS, right?
Hi, good day. Yeah, from Pedas.
Welcome, Hemavati from Malaysia. Please
Thank you.
introduce yourself and share us what you'd like to listen today.
All right. With Pedas, as you all know, that actually involving with the training consultancy.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, like to explore more on the CRM side over here now, how we can
Okay.
just
Okay.
help out.
Yeah. Welcome, Hemavati. Others who would like to introduce, please introduce, because now many people are joining. I'm not able to see all of them. Please unmute and one by one you can introduce. Hi, Jagdish. Hi, Jagdish.
This is Jagdish from Hita Agri Fintech. So we work with farmers.
Oh, nice.
And I'm looking at how to be using CRMs where we can build hyper-personalized relations with farmers.
Oh, okay, very nice. Sure, I'm sure the team would show you more information about that today.
Sure, thank you.
Nice. Yeah, so we have more people. Welcome, Lata Madam from ITI. Welcome, Naveen Prabhuji. Welcome, Priyadarshini Ma'am. Welcome, Shobha. Shobha is from our IT team. Yeah, anyone wants? Hi, welcome, Suhas. Suhas, can you introduce yourself and share something? So we'll start the webinar in another 5-10 minutes.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning,
Thanks
Suhas. How are you?
Ramesh.
Thanks, Suhas. Please share something about yourself with others.
From Excellent Technologies. We are a Bangalore-based company working in aerospace and defense electronic systems,
nice.
design and manufacturing space.
Nice.
And we are working with Indian defense for last 30 years.
Oh, wow.
And we are making different types of products for all the assets of Indian defense.
Nice. Very nice. Welcome, Suhas. Yeah, and then we have many people joining. Anyone would like to introduce, please go ahead, unmute yourself and introduce yourself. Yeah, Sundaram from Chennai. Hi, Sundaram ji. Please.
Morning, Ramesh.
Morning. Please introduce yourself. Mr. Sundaram is from the Hindu newspaper. Yeah.
I take care of the enterprise business systems for the Hindu market. So as part of that, I also take care of the CRM system. Currently, we take an open source based CRM system.
Oh, very nice, Sundar. Welcome for the webinar, Sundaram.
Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome, Tito ji. Can you please introduce yourself, Tito Kishan ji? Welcome, Vikas Chaturvedi from MIPL. Vikas ji, can you please introduce yourself? I think you're muted. Yes, you can unmute and introduce yourself if you wish to us to know about you before we start the webinar. I think in another 5 minutes.
Hey, Ramesh.
Yeah. Hi, Tito. Good morning, Tito ji. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, how are you doing?
Good, Tito ji. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Can you please introduce about yourself and something about your organization?
Yeah. So, I represent my firm, Proin Consultancy. We work as innovation partners to some of the best companies.
Okay.
We work as building invention culture with invention.
Okay. Oh, very nice. So, what is the invention culture? Can you tell a little about it, Tito ji?
So, I basically facilitate a structured innovation framework deployment, and that leads to significant patents.
Oh, okay.
Significant IP development.
Very
with
nice.
ideal solutions.
Welcome, Tito ji.
Thank you.
Welcome, Amita ji. Can you introduce yourself, Amita ji?
Yes. Hi, I'm Amita Gopal. I'm a soft skill trainer. I have been with a real estate company working and quit about 8-10 years ago. And I have been in CRM. I was handling a huge clientele there. So it interests me to know what is the latest. So I just thought, let me join this meeting and get a brush up.
Yeah, welcome,
Thank you.
Amita ji. Thank you,
Thank
welcome.
you.
Yeah. Welcome, Mahindra ji. Have you joined from Dhruv Patwari ID, Mahindra ji?
No, he's not joined from here.
Okay. Yeah, welcome, Dhruv. You are from MIPL, is it, Dhruv?
Yes, we are from
Okay. Yeah, please introduce yourself, Dhruv.
Hi, I'm Dhruv. Just excited and look forward to check what is the AI and CRM.
Yeah, sure. What do you do in MIPL? What is your role, Dhruv?
I look over the project management.
Okay. Very nice. That's a very challenging role, I think, in MIPL, having the list of big clientele that you have.
Absolutely.
Welcome. Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, Vikas ji. Can you introduce yourself, Vikas ji?
Hi, sir. Vikas from MIPL Global. We are there, and we have joined from along with the team also from our side. We take care of the sales part and business development part in MIPL.
Oh, very nice. So, anything specific that you want to look in today's webinar, Vikas ji?
Hi, good morning. This is Upen here. I'm there along with Vikas and Message.
Hi, Upen.
Yeah, hi. So basically, we wanted to understand, as you know, everyday scenario is changing, and how can we be more perfect in terms of sales management and the proper database of clients, which we will be having many repeated clients who will be working with us. So how can we make those database along with integrating with new technologies, with AI? So we wanted to understand fully.
Okay.
So we have come here along with my team. So we are Ika is also along with me. So we will be looking forward how things will go.
Sure. Welcome. Is Mahindra ji also expected to join?
Yeah, he is. Hi, MSG, long time. How are you?
Hi. You're sitting with Vikas. Welcome, Mahindra ji.
I just walked in.
Thanks
for chasing and inviting us to such a lovely. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you. Welcome, Mahindra ji, and your team. We'll be starting in another few minutes, Mahindra ji. we're expecting a few more people to join. Yeah, yeah. I think Honika, there's one guest it says is waiting. I'm not able to see. You can permit them.
Actually, it's not in the list, sir. In the
Oh,
way.
okay. Not sure why it's showing that. Okay. Anyone else?
Sunita is there from our team.
Yeah. Welcome, Sunita ji.
And she is waiting. You have to.
So Sunita is waiting. Now I don't see it.
She is there. Sunita, try once again. They will make it.
Yeah. Okay. Ask her to try once more.
Yeah, she is rejoining back. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, welcome, Balamurgan ji. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. You're muted, Balamurgan ji. Can you please introduce yourself, your name, your company, what you do?
I'm presenting for Adya Interiors Private Limited.
Okay.
So we are into turnkey interior contracts.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Welcome, Balamurgan ji.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Chandra. Welcome. Can you unmute and introduce yourself, Chandra? Okay. Welcome, Jay Kumar from Jay Graphics. Can you please unmute and introduce yourself? Hi, Jay Kumar.
Very good morning, Ramesh.
Good morning. Welcome.
We are into signage, digital printing, and display systems.
Very nice. Welcome, Jay Kumar. Anything specific that you want to learn today in the webinar?
Yeah, I need to understand how AI works in this.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Definitely, we'll share that to you. Welcome, Lata Madam from ITI. Can you unmute and just say hello to everyone? Lata Madam, are you there?
Lata ma'am informed that he has a problem with her microphone.
Okay. So, but she's able to hear, right? Okay. I think we are ready now. So, over to you, Soumya.
Okay.
So as Soumya is starting, so today we'll have a few small snippets about AI from Soumya. Soumya, who heads the marketing department in Rixings. And then after that, we'll have Honika, who's from the vTiger team. She will show us a demo quickly about those 5-6 AI features which Soumya is talking about. And after that, we would be opening up the forum for any questions that you have and conclude with a vote of thanks. Yeah. So over to you, Soumya.
I hope my screen visible, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
No, not yet.
No, not yet. You need to share. Yeah, now it's visible, Soumya. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. Before we get started, let me quickly introduce myself and our team present on this call. I'm Soumya from Rixings, and we honored to have our CEO, Mr. P. Ramesh Chandar, joining us today. We also have our team members, Ms. Reena and Ms. Honika, who will be supporting throughout the session. Now let's get started. We specialize in helping business transform their sales, marketing, and customer experience using CRM and AI-driven solutions. Now to quickly set the context, let me start with a quick questions. How many of you feel that managing lead, follow-up, and customer data is still time-consuming or not fully optimized? Could you please share your response in the chat? That's exactly what we are going to address today. In this session, we will explore how AI-powered CRM is changing the way business operate, helping teams work smarter, respond faster, and ultimately drive better results. This is the CRM mind map. Without CRM, people will face all these challenges. No proper follow-up, no delayed responses, losing leads and customer, multiple points on data entry, managing sales team and low sales, limited manpower, unresolved customer complaints, unable to track payments and invoices, and wrong internal-external customer coordination. By using CRM, we can overcome all these challenges. Any CRM in the world has three main modules, which is marketing, sales, customer support, and service. In marketing module, we may run campaign and get inquiries, and only qualified inquiries move to the sales. This is done using the band qualification, which means we identify their customer budget, who is the decision maker, their need, and the timeline. Once the account gets qualified, it gets created under contract and deal will also created. Post the sale, if they have any problem, we may give support to them. Before we look at what AI can do, let's understand the current reality in most organizations without AI. The first one is teams rely on manual processes. Many teams still depend on manual work like updating data, sending email, and tracking tasks. This takes a lot of time and increases the chance of human error. And the second one is leads are not prioritized properly. Without AI, it's difficult to identify which leads are most likely to convert. So sales team often spend time on wrong prospect, missing high potential opportunities. And the third one is customer follow-ups are delayed. Follow-ups are usually done manually and sometimes they are missed or delayed. This can lead to lost deals and poor customer experience. And the fourth one is data is scattered across the tools. Customer information is often spread across multiple systems like emails, spreadsheets, CRM, and other tools. This makes it hard to get a complete view of the customer. This is exactly where AI comes into the picture to eliminate inefficiencies and bring intelligence into every step of the process. Why AI is a game changer? The first thing is it automates repetitive work. AI helps automate routine tasks like data entry, follow-ups, and responding to common customer queries. This reduces manual effort and allows team to focus on more important strategic work. And second is it predicts customer behavior. By using past data, AI can predict what a customer is likely to do next, whether they will buy, drop off, or need support. This helps business take proactive actions instead of reacting late. And the third one is it enables faster decision. AI provide real-time insights and recommendation, so teams don't have to rely on guesswork. This leads to quicker and more accurate decision making. And the final one is delivers personalized experience. AI helps tailor communication, offers, and interaction based on each customer's behavior and preferences. This makes customers feel understood and improve engagement. In short, AI helps business move from manual and reactive to automated and intelligent. These are the types of AI transforming CRM. The first one is predictive AI, generative AI, prompt, chat flow, and Meet. The predictive AI means it uses historical data to forecast future outcomes. It helps the answers like what will happen next. Generative AI means it creates new content based on prompt. It helps answers like what should we create. For example, by using generative AI, you can create emails, chat responses, proposal generation, and call summaries. And the third one is prompt. Prompt is an instruction given to AI. It tells AI what to generate. For example, write a follow-up email for a customer who attended a webinar. And the fourth one is chat flow. Chat flow is here AI-powered conversation automation. that guides user through structured interactions where the AI understands what the customer is asking and responded step by step in a logical flow. The benefits of using chat flow is 24/7 responses and instant engagement. And the fifth one is vMeet. vMeet is a vTiger built-in video meeting tool. AI can automatically record the meeting and convert speech into text, so you don't have to manually take notes. After the meeting, AI can generate a summary of the discussion. It saves time and improving follow-up accuracy. How AI can transform your organization. AI helps your business operate faster, smarter, and more efficiently across all the departments. In sales department, it identifies high potential leads using predictive AI. Get best next action recommendation, automate follow-ups with generative AI. In marketing department, it creates personalized campaigns using AI, like it segments customers intelligently. It generates email, content, and messages instantly. In customer support department, we use AI chatbot and chat flows for instant responses. It automates generate replies and resolutions, and it analyzes customer sentiment. In operation department, it automate repetitive tasks, generate reports and insights, and reduce manual errors. AI doesn't replace people, it empowers your team to work smarter, faster, and more strategical. Now let me give you a quick overview about Rixings. Rixings brings over 20 plus years of experience in CRM consulting and implementation. So we are not just talking about theory, we've worked with businesses across different industries and understand real world challenges. Over the years, we've successfully delivered 240 plus projects for clients globally. This includes companies from different regions and industries, helping them streamline their sales process and improve customer management. And most importantly, the impact, business that have implemented CRM solution with us have seen up to 35% improvement in their sales performance. This happens because we help them organize their data, automate their processes, and ensure no opportunities are missed. So overall, our focus is not just implementing a CRM, but actually helping business achieve measurable growth. Now let's talk about vTiger CRM. vTiger is globally trusted CRM platform used by over 300,000 businesses worldwide, which shows its reliability and wide adoption across industries. What vTiger essentially does is it helps a business manage their entire customer lifecycle in one place. It enables companies to manage customer relationship, automate sales and marketing process, improve customer support, and get a 360-degree view of customer. This means all customer information, interactions, their emails, deals, support tickets, and everything is available in a single system. So instead of switching between multiple tools, we can work smarter, respond faster, and make better decisions. Now, at the core of everything we discussed, there is one simple idea, which is grow your business by strengthening your relationship with customers, because customer is your king and queen. That's why we focus on building strong customer relationship. And this is exactly where CRM and AI plays a crucial role, helping you stay connected with your customers, understand their needs, and deliver a better experience consistently. In addition to our consulting and knowledge sharing initiatives, we also contribute through thought leadership. Our CEO and your CRM expert, Mr. P. Ramesh Chandran, authored a book titled 3 Pillars of Customer Relationship in 2017. This book is not just theoretical, it is built on over 20 years of real-world experience, capturing best practices, practical strategies, and lessons learned from working with various industries. As part of this, we have interviewed 65 plus global CEOs and industries leaders like Mr. N. Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys, to understand their perspectives and business growth. We have taken their insights, combined them with our own experience, and consolidated everything into this book. It provides a strong foundation for organization looking to build and strengthen their customer relationship effectively. Along with our implementation and consulting, we also focus on sharing knowledge consistently. We have a dedicated WhatsApp community where we share useful insights every week related to CRM, AI trends, best practices, and real business use case. In addition to that, we also have a YouTube channel where we publish videos explaining CRM concept, AI features, and real-world demonstration. So whether it's a quick tip or a detailed walkthrough, we make sure valuable content is always accessible. The idea is to help business stay updated and understand how they can practically use AI and CRM in their day-to-day operations. Yeah, over to you, Honika.
Thank you, Soumya. Yes. Hi, everyone. So I hope my screen is visible to you all. Could you please confirm?
Yeah, it's visible, Honika.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So first and foremost, thank you everyone for joining today's webinar. I would like to introduce myself. I am Honika, working as a business analyst in vTiger CRM. So today I would like to speak about the calculus AI in vTiger CRM. So basically, in every businesses belonging to the different segments, the major problem that everyone faces is that how to manage the existing data that is present. So meaning like how to faster the customer communication and to get the summary of the overall communication, to do the manual work automated using the AI. So today we will be seeing at how AI helps in helping us to do the day-to-day business very much easily, the functionality, how it can be done. So today we will be focusing on the types of AI like the predictive AI, generative AI, prompts, chat flow, agents, and the VMeet, and all the features we will be demonstrating on each of the topics. So coming to the first is the predictive AI. So as predictive AI, the name says predictive. So it uses the historical data that is present and tells us where exactly to focus on. So let us jump to the first feature, which is best time to contact. So basically, best time to contact in the CRM, it helps us to suggest the best time that the sales representative needs to focus on. So basically, usually the sales rep will be having multiple amount of leads, like for example, 20 to 30 leads that needs to be called per day. So knowing the exact day and time so that we will be catching up with that lead or the contact is very much essential, right? So that is where this feature comes into picture, where AI will help us in saying what is the best time to contact. So it will, based on the historical data like the email interactions, the meetings held, and all the communications made with the different channels, AI will be analyzing it and it will be providing us with the accurate date and time that we can reach out to the prospect so that we can have a contact with them. Coming to the next feature, which is the deal score. So basically, sales team will be having a confusion which deal to prioritize more in order to close it faster in the pipeline. So we are having a feature called as the deal score, where we will be getting all the deal score, the predictive close date, the engagement score, and the sentiment score that will be given by the AI, so that we will be focusing on the deal which has more deal score with a health score as well. So coming to the next, which is the conversation insights. So within the deal, AI will be helping us in analyzing the different segments, like who are the competitors, what is the deal score, and what is the sentiment on each of the deals. So how much positive responses we have got, how much negative responses we have got, and what are the neutral responses. So these all we will be getting it from the past interactions. Along with that, we will be able to get the complete conversation timeline, meaning, so we will be connecting with the prospects in the different channels, right? So via emails, via phone calls, via email campaign, cases, chats, and so on. So we will be having a complete metrics of all the communication that has been taken place with the different channels based on each of the month. So that is the complete customer engagement. So moving on, along with that, we will be able to get the touch point summary. So meaning in each of the channels that we have connected, how much communication has been made, like how many emails have been sent, how many phone calls have been made, how many events has been conducted, and along with that, how many agents has been involved in this particular interaction, we will be able to get an overview. So coming to the next concept, which is the generative AI. So generative AI will be helping us to generate the content so that our team will be spending less time in not typing and sending it faster to get the faster responses from the customers. So coming to the first feature, which is a compose email. So in all the businesses, so we will be sending out the emails to our customers on the day-to-day basis, right? So if we include AI in this, so it will be very much faster to do this task. So for coming to the first feature, which is the AI subject lines. So when we send an email to any of the customer, so when we read, or let's say when we are receiving email itself, when we read a subject, it should be like we have to get the overall context of the email. So we do have a feature where AI will be helping us in suggesting the best subject that can be provided to the email. So coming to the next feature, which is drafting the email. So that is nothing but composing the email. So by just saying to the AI by simple sentence like draft a welcome email in about 50 words, because if we keep our email short, it will be very much efficient, correct? So if we just give what we want to the AI, saying like draft a welcome email in about 50 words to the customer, welcoming him to the V-Tiger and or your organization for using the manufacturing need. So AI will be providing within a few seconds the complete email that can be sent to the customer. So coming to the next feature is the call coaching. So basically sales representative or the support representative will be making a phone calls, will be sending an email, will be taking up the meetings. So all the meetings that has been held, emails that has been held, it is necessary to get the feedback to each of the channels they have communicated with the customer, right? So we do have coaching as a feature where AI will be providing the summary for each of the conversation that has been made for the different channels separately, where we will be able to get the complete AI summary of, this is one of the example of the phone call made by the sales rep, where AI has analyzed the recordings and it has given the complete AI summary and the suggestions. Along with that, we will be able to get the AI rating. So like what is the completeness rating, the grammar rating, what is the pleasantness rating, along with that, the reason. So let's say the talk to listen ratio should be more to make the call very much proactive, right? So we will be able to get the reason where it went wrong and the overall rating along with the AI score. And not only that, so we will be able to get the complete transcripts of the call line by line. Along with that, we will be able to get the next steps, meaning what is the call metrics, what is the total duration has been held, the talk to listen ratio. So what is the direction of the call? Along with that, we will be able to get the complete on the rep side as well as the prospect side. What was the mode of speech? What was the words per second? So we will be able to get a complete overview of the call that has been made. So coming to the next feature of the generative AI is to get the summary basically. So we have taken an example of one of the module which is cases. Cases is nothing but the tickets we usually call it. It is like when we get the issues on any of the services that you're providing from your customers. So we will be handling it in the cases module. So basically each of the case represents one issue faced by the customer. So we will be having back and forth communication via email. Correct. So for a support representative to go through each of the email thread to see what is going on takes long time. So that is where AI comes into picture, where AI helps us in providing the complete summary of the conversation that has been happened with the team, with the customer basically, and also with the complete prospects. So coming to the next concept, which is prompts. So prompts are nothing but the instructions that we give to the AI in order to give the content. So it's a simple process. So as we had seen the case summary, the generative AI feature, right? So here we will be providing instruction to the AI on what to be focused, what field to be focused, and what action it needs to perform. So as we can see, we have to give the prompt instruction over here. Along with that, we need to give the data that AI needs to focus on. And once after which, so for each of the module, we can create it. So where we can set it up completely. And once after that, we will be able to get the complete case summary. The prompt, what we give, the exactly AI will be performing it based on the instruction given. So second example that I would like to give is that, let's say you will be receiving email from your customers, correct? So instead of manually seeing the email by each of the sales representative or support representative and adding it in that respective record is time consuming. So AI will be helping us in reading the email and updating the value in each of the fields of the record. So when we receive an email, AI will be focusing on the data that we have provided, that is the fields that we have updated over here, and AI will be updating each of the field values automatically. So this also can be useful in the project management as well. So let's take a use case where AI should show all the tasks within the project that has more load. So AI will be analyzing the task which has more load, and it will be providing the complete context within one shot. So in this way, we will be able to create different prompts and we can use it in order to generate the content. Coming to the next concept, which is chat flow. So basically, when the customer reaches out to you via the web chat, right? So as you already know, currently AI will be speaking to you. That is, the bot will be speaking to you, correct? So we do have that feature as well. So where when the customer reaches out to us, so the bot will be answering completely to the queries that the customer has been asked. So this can be done within a simple step. So no code is required. It's just that we need to provide a flow. So we do provide the blocks within the CRM where we can provide the complete flow by just connecting it. So saying like, so first the bot has to respond, and next it has to ask more questions if the concerns provided by the customer is incomplete, and finally it will be handed over to the agent, live agent if necessary, or else the bot only will be answering it. So coming to the next concept, which is the agents. So in the VTiger CRM, we do have this concept where AI will be helping us in doing the actions by just giving a simple command to it. So I'll be just giving some of the examples. So first is like, let's say if you would like to create an event or if you would like to create a contact, so you need not go to each of the module, click on create button, provide each of the details over there. AI will be doing it for you. It's just that we need to provide the command like create event for tomorrow at 11 a.m. So missing information AI will be asking if needed, if necessary, and AI will be generating the record. So this is one example of creating an event. In the same way, we will be able to create a contact. So as we have given here, create a contact named Ram. Right. So we will be able to create a contact from the AI very much easily. In the same way, we can create the internal tickets by just giving a simple command. And let's say if you would like to get a summary as well, we will be able to do it. So let's say, for example, if you're asking a summary of a particular opportunity record, right? If any duplicates are there, so we will be able to get the duplicate record where AI will be asking for which I have to provide the summary for. So we can just define it and automatically the summary will be generated. And coming to the next, which is the reports agent. So not only creating a contact or creating a record, basically, we will be able to get the insights as well. So as we can see, we have just given like show invoices with the status paid, right? So AI will be analyzing all the invoices with the status paid and will be providing us with the result. So not only that, we will be able to create the charts as well using the AI. The complete data visualization can be done by just giving a simple command. So coming to the next concept, which is vMeet. So basically, vMeet is our built-in video conferencing tool. So it works similar to that of the Gmeet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom. So what we differ from the other video conferencing tool is that, so we do provide a recording and AI analysis feature. So where once the meeting has been held, right? So we will be able to get the complete notes. So saying like we will be able to get the complete summary of the meeting, the AI suggestion, the questions that has been asked in the meeting, everything will be summarized using the AI. So not only that, the next action to be performed. So as the conversation will be going on in the meeting, and let's say if any task has to be created in order to resolve the issues or any of the other requirements from the customer, AI will be suggesting us to create a task, or if the follow-up meeting has to be held after the initial meeting, we will be able to create an event as well using the AI suggestion that has been provided. And not only that, we will be able to get the transcripts and along with that, the minutes of meeting, which is very much important to follow up with the customer once the meeting has been held. So I would like to show some of the live features with the predictive AI and the generative AI team. So first coming to the best time to contact, as we had discussed, right? So this is one of the contact record, and AI will be analyzing all past interaction that has been happened and will be providing us with what is the best time to contact with this particular lead or a customer. So coming to the next feature, which is the deal score, which we had spoken about, right? So if you just click on conversation insight, so AI will be providing us with the sentiments, what is the deal score? So what is the close date that has been predicted by the AI? So this is all coming from the historical data of this particular deal record. And along with that, coming to the conversation timeline, so we will be able to see, so what are the channels that we have connected with and in which month. So basically, if we just over it, we will be able to see what is the email sent and when, along with the date and time. And also we will be able to see all the communication that has been happened with the different channels. And coming to the touch point summary, so what are the total engagement that has been happened with the different channels along with the count and who has made it, will be able to have an overview of it. So coming to the generative AI features, so if we just, this is one of the ticket record. So if I just click on Calculus AI over here, so these are the prompts that we have generated. So we will be able to get the case summary, we will be able to create a task, we will be able to get a reply as well. So if I just click on a case summary over here, AI will analyze all the email thread that we had interaction in the past, and it will be providing us with a complete summary. So it's not needed to go to each of the thread. So in this way, we will be able to get a complete summary, who is involved and what are the activities that has been happened. And also it will suggest us what is the next step. To add a task, we can directly click on this. So coming to the next, which is the ask calculus, which I was speaking about. So if we just give a simple command like create an internal ticket for mouse replacement or let's say laptop replacement, right? So in the same way, we can create other records as well. If we just click from instruction over here, so the AI will be creating a record. So as we can see, we had not given the summary. If we just give the summary, let me just give testing. And if we just click on submit, so the AI will create a record automatically. In the same way, we will be able to generate a report and any other data that you would like to get, we will be able to get using the Calculus AI feature. So coming to the next, which is coaching, which we had discussed, where AI will analyze the complete call recordings and it will be providing us with a summary of the conversation made. So along with that, we'll be able to get the suggestions, the ratings, the complete transcripts of the call, line by line, and along with that we will be able to get the call metrics and what should be the next step, and on the rep side and the prospect side we will be able to get each of the stages. So coming to the next feature, which is the chat flow. So we can create a chat flow by just connecting each of the blocks. So where we can just define what should be the first response from the bot, and if we get the visitor's response and what should be the next action, and if any details are missing, AI will be asking more information, and suppose if it needs to be changed to the or diverted to each of the human agent, right? So we can directly navigate it. We do have a button chat with agent. If we just click on this, it will be transferred to the live agent from the bot. So coming to the next, which is the vMeet. So once after the event has been completed, if we just click on the analysis option, so we will be able to see what are the speakers' time. In that, we will be able to see the complete summary of the meeting. So the AI suggestions, so what we can improve from that for the next meeting. And along with that, the questions that has been asked by the prospects involved in the meeting. So coming to the actions, we will be able to get the action that needs to be performed next. So whether to create a task or whether to create an event. So we can just click on it and right away we can create a task. Along with that, we will be able to get the transcripts, and also in it is language specific. So where we will be able to get the transcripts of each of the speakers word by word. And next is the minutes of meeting. So where we will be able to get the complete MOM of the meeting head. We can just copy it and we will be able to send it to the prospect. And one more feature that I would like to show is that about the email on the generative AI side. So basically, if you just click on the email option over here, and if you just click on, let's say, welcome. So as you can see, this is on this. So we will be getting the subject suggestion. So we can choose the best suggestion over here, and we can provide it to the subject. So coming to generating the email context. So basically we can just give a instruction over here, right? And if I just enter this, so AI will be providing us with a complete welcome email that can be right away. We can put in the email body and we can send it to the prospect. So this is the welcome email that has been generated by AI within a seconds, and we can just click on insert option over here. If any changes, we can make it and we can send it to the prospect. So these are some of the features of the AI that I would like to present today. So thank you for actively listening, team.
Yeah, thank you, Honika. Thank you, Soumya. So now I think we open the floor for any question that you have. Is that correct, Soumya?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
so we open the floor now for any question that you have. You may unmute and ask the question and we can answer. We also have Shobha from our technical team. Shobha, are you there? Shobha?
Yes, sir.
You can also help us to answer.
Ramesh, couple of questions from my side, Ramesh.
Yes, Sridharji.
Okay, this calculus AI, is it restricted to the plan availability or it's available by any plan in vTagger? And I also understand that this is a hosted solution. That means it is on cloud. Is that true? And how you are managing the privacy of this information when it's hosted on cloud between various customers, Ramesh?
Sure. One, to answer you, yes, currently vTagger has on-premise and cloud version, Sridharji. So the on-premise version is generally 2 versions down the latest one, which is there on the cloud. So the latest version is the one which has Calculus AI. And again, Calculus AI is restriction to the higher editions of the vTagger. So anything that you want to add, Honika?
No, sir. It's correct. Like it's available in the higher edition starting from One Professional. So we do have 5 different editions, sir, basically. So it's available from the One Professional edition, the feature.
Okay, and how is the integration with any other application like API interface with other tools? I mean, how is that process, and how is it easy, or is it something we do need to depend on Ramesh and Honika here?
So basically, Sridhar sir, we do have direct integration with the SMS gateways and some of the phone service providers and accounting softwares. Let's say if we don't have the direct integration, right? So we do support REST APIs as well. So where we can integrate easily with any of the third-party softwares.
Okay. And you think it's easy? Integration is not an issue with this Calculus AI?
No, sir, it's easy.
Okay.
Because we do have customers who have integrated their third-party softwares and they're using it very much easily.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this Calculus AI is specific to vTagger, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. And what about, because I know you are in vTagger, Salesforce, and other CRM, right? So what's the equivalent of Calculus in other CRM's product?
So basically, as we had discussed, like we do have the option of creating the custom prompts, custom agents. So based on your business requirement, we can completely configure each of the prompt and agent to get the output from the AI, sir.
And also to add to her, I think in Salesforce you have Einstein. I would say it's equivalent to that. In fact, one of our customers, actually tomorrow I'm in Delhi. So one of our customers, they use some other system, Salesforce they use. So they felt Salesforce Einstein is not meeting their need. So we are suggesting them Calculus and integrate that to Salesforce.
Oh, yeah, so, that's the question. So that's possible then, that's right?
Yes, correct. It is.
Okay, got it.
So you can use externally the AI features of the system, which is, and then integrate back to your other systems.
Oh, okay.
Just like, for example, if you see now, Honika showed you generative AI of generating an email, correct? So that generative AI is actually not generating from Calculus. It is connecting to ChatGPT, taking the data and putting inside vTagger.
Understood. Okay.
So it's using ChatGPT's AI features and integrating that with. Is that correct, Honika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. So that's one simple example of how we are using integration to other AI systems.
Thanks, Ramesh. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Sangeeta, you wanted to ask something?
Yeah, hi. This is Shekhar this side from Sangeeta's
Hi,
Ramesh. Hi, Amit. And it was a good session. I mean, I could not, to be honest, go there in the complete session because I was made of other work, but I could hear the last few minutes of this conversation from Hanukkah. So just want to understand, so we are running a medical, kind of, clinic here. So how will this help us, or how can we optimize this service is what I'm looking at.
Yeah. See what we have seen. So we have actually done a research on Ishak Dental Clinic. What we've seen is one of the challenges currently, Isha Dental manages all the data on registers. Okay,
Correct.
only for appointment booking, you're using some other online software. So first, for the last many years, Dr. Sangeeta has her lot of customers. You can put all the customer data into the CRM. Okay, one. And then second is periodically be in touch with them. Like, you give some bites of information, new things. Like you can say, okay, now this is what is coming in root canal, new features. So continuously being in touch with them, it can be started with that. Second is what I also see is payments. Sometimes you give installments to your customers. And then, it can manage that and give you reminders this installment is due, or it can give you information about those, payment reminders and how long it is due, those information.
All right. This has been managed by somebody, right? I mean, this has been managed by someone, right? We need to put in all the information at the initial stage, and then it takes off.
Yeah, correct. So the lady who's sitting in your reception, I feel she can be trained on this. They can use WhatsApp. I'm sure they can use vTiger CRM basic features. They can do all those, backend works, and then someone like you or Dr. Sangeeta can analyze those reports monthly once and take course correction of things which are not going on track.
Okay. And also,
and Pat
is it
yourself for
accessible
things
on mobile also? You said that this also can be used at mobile phones, right? I mean, one at your computer, and also you can also track on your mobile phone.
Correct. You can track it on your mobile as well.
Okay, and so this has to be, so if at all we have to take up this, so the installation and all of that training and all is taken care by your team?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, we take care of that.
Any
Implementation.
estimation how much it would start, or we should speak to you?
We'll take it offline with you, because it depends on case to case.
That's right.
On customers' needs. So we can definitely talk offline and let you know about that.
Brilliant. Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you, Honika, for this.
Hey, thanks, Shekhar.
That's it from my side.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks, Sundaramji, for joining. Anyone else have any questions?
Hi, Ramesh.
Yeah, hi, Amitaji.
Honika, good presentation. I really like the confidence
Thank you,
and the
ma'am.
clarity in which you presented your report. Also, I just wanted to check, just in case, if, people like us who have always been on a face-to-face, suddenly shifting to an AI, we are more confident seeing a person face-to-face, right? Now, once AI comes, we are like just talking to the machine. So is there a direct interface also that's possible from you to the company?
Okay, so direct interface meaning like the AI agent should be speaking live.
Right.
Okay.
Sometimes the options may not be provided for the issues that the CRM team will have. So is there a possibility that somebody can talk directly to the person and then sort that out?
Yeah, so basically currently we do not have that, ma'am, like the live agent speaking with the customer. Yeah.
Okay, so I think her answer is not that. I mean, question is, Honika. See, like for example, Amitaji, now let's say we have a chat bot on your website. Okay, and let's say in the night you're sleeping. So the chatbot answers the questions of people who are coming on the website, for example. Okay. Now, when you get up in the morning, you can always see what the chatbot has spoken, and it gives a kind of a rating. After the chatbot finishes the chat with the whoever has visited your website, it asks you to rate. Are you satisfied? So if you see the rating is not good, okay, you can always override that chat, and then you can directly contact that customer on the same chat. So it's like a hybrid model. The AI can also talk, and you can also override that.
Okay, because generally what happens when we have certain, for example, let me be very specific. When you're talking to urban company, they also have these AI-driven replies.
Right.
So it's very crazy to understand that you have a problem and the person, the AI or the person is repeatedly telling, can I have your feedback on the conversation we have had? Or what is your question? Can I answer? Without even answering the question, they come back with repeated questions, which is actually not solving this situation.
Correct. So that's the reason if you see the chat flow which Honika had shown, these you can continuously improvise this, because if you see for AI, it is a data which is through the data only it keeps giving you intelligent answers. So as the you get more and more data, you can change your chat flow. So for example, it says question A and it gives answer B. Now for question A, the customer, the reviews that you're getting is answer B is not correct. You can modify that. So you can keep modifying. You know, it's an ongoing learning process, Amita.
Okay.
And in the back end, you can change the answer. So, you know, you'll see, okay, I've got 100 questions on this, and ChatGPT has, the chat bot has replied this, but they're not satisfied. Then you can modify based on that. So let's say you can manually call few of them as a sample. From the 100, you take 10 people, call them what answer you expected, then modify your chat flow based on that.
Okay, done.
So similarly,
I think sorry.
Yeah. Similarly, she was talking about predictive AI, right? So which says, okay, what is the best time to contact Amita? So the best time to contact Amita is from the past data. It sees what was the best time Amita opened an email, what is the best time Amita responded to the call, what is the best time, she replied to it. So based on that, only it takes the data and suggests us these are the suggestive times. So it doesn't immediately say that, no, this is the best time to contact. It also keeps on reiterating in the background. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Dhruv, you wanted to say something? You can unmute.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dhruv, we are not able to hear you.
What? Oh, okay. 1 second. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
Hi, Ramesh ji. This is Mahendra.
Yeah, hi, Mahendra ji. How are you?
Kaise ho? How's Whitefield Constitution treating you?
Yeah, it's treating well.
Okay.
A lot of new things we are doing. The latest thing is we have empowered more than 17 women to drive autonomous. Yeah.
Wow, amazing. You've always been an inspiring personality. Thanks for such a lovely session. Maybe, you need to put your team with us in terms of understanding how do we integrate into our present multiple systems we have. Okay.
Sure, Mahendra.
So I think, we would definitely like to have somebody who can come and talk to us.
Sure.
And, we can run through in half-an-hour session. How do we integrate into our present system? Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So that's
sure, Mahendra ji. So after the session, we'll get in touch with you and your team and schedule one session at your office in Malleshwaram.
Yeah. Malleshwaram, yeah. So we can, spend some time.
Yeah.
It's been a long time seeing you.
Same here, Mahendra ji.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks, Ramesh ji.
Thanks.
Yeah, my entire team joined today.
Yeah, I saw them in the seminar room. It was nice to see all of them. Nice.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, entire Mahindra Associates people. We'll see you shortly.
Okay, chalo. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Yeah. Any other questions others have? We will be happy to answer. Shobha, anything?
Hey,
Hi, Tito ji.
Yeah, okay. Just one quick question. Thanks for the flow of CRM. See, I'm a one-person army. Okay, I don't have anyone working for me. Now, how would this be helpful? Help me on that.
Yeah. So if you see actually for a one-person army, definitely something like this will help you, because all the limitation that you have of your hands being full of many activities, automation definitely helps. So if you see, actually somewhere in 2008, I went to US, and what I was surprised, there actually as soon as I got out from the San Francisco airport, that metro where I got, there's no one actually in the metro. It's fully empty. I don't know how to, get in. So everything is automated over there. You have to go yourself, put the bill, take the ticket. You have to see the board, how to go from here to that place to downtown. And then when you get on over there again, everything is automated. And the next day when I went along with my friend to a place, even in the petrol bunk, you have to put the petrol yourself. Like in India, you have the privilege of, people coming and put. There it's not. You have to go swipe the card. And, even that 0.1 cents also, it calculates and gives you that. So in a country like US, I've seen so much of automation because the manpower is also very expensive there. So definitely automation will help you to make you more productive and effective. And now with AI, in the picture and taking it, it'll definitely help you. One, in terms of streamlining your marketing activities. So all the contacts that you have generated in the last many years, you can put it in the system and systematically be in touch with them. Then next is, in terms of generating your pipeline, doing some marketing activity of you were saying, the unique.
So does the email be triggered from your system?
Yes, it does.
The Outlook?
Yes,
From
it does.
Outlook?
No, it triggers from the server, the vTiger server. But it can be integrated to your Outlook.
It can be integrated to the Outlook.
Yeah. But the email triggers from the server, but you can route that email to your own servers also if need be. So like that, it can automate many of your processes. So because of which you can focus more on your strategic activities and other operational activities that you wish to focus on. So many other heavy lifting it can do with AI and the CRM in place.
Okay. Yeah. So you just send me a quote and then we will take it.
Sure. Thanks. Anyone else? Jubi?
Good afternoon, Ramesh.
Yeah. Hi, Jubi. How are you?
Good. Excellent presentation by your staff, by your team.
Hey, thanks.
I want to know, all these data will be stored in your server or in the system that we use?
Generally, when you go for a cloud-based system, the data gets stored in the cloud server. If you go for an on-premise, which we generally don't recommend for SMEs and MSMEs, then it will get stored in your own servers, in your local servers.
Okay. So I have, my business went to painting.
Yes.
So store image, where will it be stored and where will be my privacy? How can I protect my privacy?
So if you see now the cloud concept, software as a service to be, it's been there in the system for more than 20 plus years. Okay. And the very, the core of all these cloud-based systems is that data privacy. So imagine Gmail has been there for ages now, right? Imagine someone steals your email, then all the customers of Gmail will go off from them. Correct? So that's the reason data privacy is taken at a very high priority with all the cloud-based companies. Even if one customer says my data is stolen, then the entire customer base goes off. So now after 20 years, I think a lot of data protection systems have come. There are a lot of rules and regulations, which they have to follow and which they follow. So, and we are also very selective. You see, we've been in this business for the last 20 years. There's so many products in the market, but we only, kind of shortlisted the top ones where we have seen ourselves. We use it ourselves. And when we are convinced, then only we are suggesting. For example, vTiger, in Vixens, we've been using it since 2017.
Okay.
Till date, we have not seen any data theft. And similarly, we've been using Google for business for the last 20 years. Never we've seen our data getting stolen. So with those confidence only, we refer to our customers.
So what is the storage space that you give or what storage space we have?
See, we've been using the CRM for last many years.
Sorry, as an individual, if I want to store...
I think the space which they give us more than sufficient. See, one data takes 2 KB of data, one record. And, you can store at least 5 lakh records in the given space.
So that is a record. If it is images, which is...
they give you 12 GB of data approximately for storing images. If you want to add more, you can buy at a nominal cost. Approximately. And these are the approximate figures I'm giving you. And if you feel that the vTiger's cost for storing data is costly, you can always explore other options and share the link into the system to the particular record.
All right. Will you be able to share the pricing?
Yeah, definitely, Jubi.
Sure. Thank you.
And thanks for joining. Finally, you made it.
Thank you. Thank you for the invite and all the best for the...
Hey, thanks. And all the best to you also. Hi, Jay Kumar. You have some question?
Yeah, it's a wonderful session. Ramesh, I want to understand, this can be combined with the website?
Yes, it can be. So if you see now the way you registered, so you registered for this webinar, right? Yeah. So you saw you registered on our website and that data came into our CRM. So it's integrated.
Yeah. And also, can it be used for a sales perspective, like quotation or somebody asks, what will be the cost for the per signage? Like that, they will have a lot of interaction question.
Yeah.
This can give an estimate to them automatically.
Yes. Quotation is part of the sales module in the CRM. So you can, so if it's a standard quotation, you can use the standard template. If it is not the standard template, it can be tweaked to some extent, and you can do that.
Yeah, because they themselves select the product, they themselves will give size. So that, whatever our conversation which we lose time for half a day, 1 day. So themselves will give an estimate them initially.
Actually, if it is a simple or medium kind of a quotation, right? It can be customized on vTiger. If it is very complex, very complex, I don't know if still MIPL team is there. Long back, actually, we did a very customized system for them.
Okay.
Where they wanted to calculate the area that. So then you have to integrate with some other system which is specific to your industry. Like for example, for Design Cafe, when we implemented, there is designers have very complex way of giving quotations to their customers. So we integrated with an external system and then brought back the quotation into the system like that. But for your thing, I think it might be simple or medium. So you can use the simple and medium to start.
Okay. Can we have one discussion about this?
Yeah, can, Jay. Thanks for joining. Anything you want to add, Honika, Shobha? Shobha, anything that you want to add? Your thoughts on this?
So, it was very good session from Honika and Soumya.
Yeah, thanks.
And we got a lot of insights into the calculus AM.
Thanks, Shobha. Yeah, any other questions that we can answer? So if we don't have any other questions, I'll hand it over to Reena. Are you there? So Reena will give us a vote of thanks. Over to you, Reena.
Thank you everyone for joining our webinar today. We hope this session provided valuable insights and business growth opportunities. We sincerely thank all the participants for your valuable time and active participation throughout the session. A special thanks to my colleagues Soumya and Honika for their support, and heartfelt thanks to our CEO, Mr. Ramesh Sandar. I would like to thank the following participants: Arunav Sharma from NSIC, Sridhar Kamt, Hemavati from PEDAS, Sasikumar from Adya, Anand Giri from Nagamals, Jagadish from Kanagadara Agriculture Innovations, Abdul Rocks, Lada from ITI Limited, Naveen Prabhu, Namrita, Harshit Patwari, Priyadarshini, Rupasri, Sangeeta Natarajan from Isha Dental Clinic, Shobha and Technology, Sundaram Balasubramanian from TH3 Publishing Limited, Tito Kishan from ProIn Consultancy, Vijay Raghavan, Vikas Chaturvi Devi, Rajan, Snega, Jaykumar from Jay Graphics, Amita Gopal, Balamurugan from Adya Interiors, Dhruv Patwari, Shubhas Goda from Suravi Consulting, Augustine from Emproses Tech Solutions, Vinit Jain from VMart, Chandra, Sunita, David from Golden Square Service, Tamilarasan, Rahul Gaut, Joby Johan, Dr. Arun Kumar from Mahavir Cancer Institute, NSSHO from Hyderabad, MIPLG Global. I thank again. If you have any other doubts or questions you can clarify, please write to Soumya and she will get back to you. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. So, Soumya?
Yes, sir.
we'll reconnect after 5 minutes, all of us from the internal team. Yeah. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Shobha and all, we can just reconnect in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay. Bye.